They are both, in my opinion, such good individuals. Ever since they first met, it's been a very seamless journey all the way over the last year and a half until today.
I will, for the rest of my life, remember the day that Ankush came home and said, "This is the one." We just knew that he'd found the perfect woman. You guys are going to have so many adventures, so many travels. You are literally everything that Ankush has been looking for.
What's so beautiful about you guys getting together is I feel like we've just known your guys' family for years. It was such a natural union.
We wish the couple a great, happy life. That's the main thing.
Throughout my life, I have known many different versions of Ankush, and I just want to say that I am so happy for the marriage that I know that you're going to build. And most of all, happy to see you find happiness.
I want to congratulate Ruhani and Ankush on their wonderful marriage ceremony. Congratulations to the whole family, friends, relatives, and everybody who have gathered here with such good vibes.
So excited to have you as my sister-in-law. In everything Uncle lacks, you complete. You had Uncle when you said hello.
When he met Ruhani, I knew that she was a perfect match for him because it's honestly the happiest I've ever seen him. But we're so thankful to have Ruhani as a part of our family now because we know it's going to be lots of fun and lots of laughter. I hope you guys have a good time and a strong marriage, and we are always here to support you guys.
Honestly, Ruhani is the most hardworking, compassionate, loyal, trustworthy. The list can go on. I've always wanted someone like her in my life, and I'm so grateful and thankful to have her and to continue to be there with her.
This guy is one of the most thoughtful, genuine people I've ever known. Ankush and Ruhani, I'm so happy for the both of you and really excited for your next chapter.
The next phase of life is actually just as fun as all the fun we had before.
We thank Ruhani for, lighting up his life and bringing him inspiration and joy.
We love you very much, and I wish you the best of luck on this journey together as husband and wife.